Hello everybody, my name is Shaggy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the hash tracker in Python. So first what you want to do is open one of your IDEs. I'm using PyCharm in this example. So you want to go to File, press New Project. You can name whatever you want your project to be. So I'm actually going to select the directory for this. And you can put the name in here. So I'm going to call it hash tracker. Once you do that, you want to make sure this create a main.py welcome script is ticked and you want to press create. Let's say this window. Alright. So now you can see we have this main.py over here. So what you want to do is press Ctrl A, or you can select all of it and press backspace or delete. I'll just close these pop-ups and yeah, we can start coding. So first what you want to do is import Hashlib. Hashlib is basically a module for hashing or decrypting hashes. So we can say Hashlib, import Hashlib there. Now we're gonna say, let's say input underscore hash, and let's say you can say to enter the hash password. So let's say enter the hash password. And once you do that, so basically the type of method we're going to use is a dictionary attack. Dictionary attack is basically a long list, is basically a text file where it has a possibility of passwords where maybe it might be the same password in that same directory folder. So we can also underscore top. We can also give a directory for our text file. Maybe we can say backspace, enter enter pass, also backslash n should be lowercase, enter password, file name, including path. Alright. So now we have both of our hashes and the directory for the hash list. So we can try and open that file. So we can say file. Open. So we're going to open this file in our directory passdoc, and we're going to use read mode because you're going to read the file essentially. So accept, if it doesn't work, and we're going to say print error. You can import sys error. We can say error. File not. Okay. Once you do that, then you can say sys.exit. Alright. Now we want to iterate to our. So basically, we want to iterate to our text file. Essentially, how our attack is gonna work. So we're gonna loop through our file, and we're gonna try and hash every password inside of that file, and we're gonna match it with the hash that the user has given us. And if it's the same password, then basically we can print we found the password. So we can iterate. So let's say for W and pass actually file. Then we want to encode the word into UTF format. So we can see our encoded word word.encode UTF-8 word.encode. Okay, so now we want to hash the word into an MD5 hash. It's coming an error here. Why is that? Oh, sorry. W. I'm sorry. So w.encode, and then now we want to hash, or we want to hash the word into an MD5 hash. So we say our hash is equal to hashlib.md5, and our encoded word, we can strip it. So essentially, we're converting it into an MD5 format, and we can strip it to remove any blank spaces or stuff like that. So now we need to basically really digest that. It basically digests in the hash into a hexadecimal value. So I think we can just say digest is equal to hash word dot hex digest hash. And then you can say if the digest is the input hash, and then we're gonna say we print and see password found. The password is, and we're gonna say our W. The W is basically the word, and then we're gonna break out of this. But I think we should make a flag because this is gonna run into a loop. So let's make a flag so you can know when it stops. So we can see if it's found or not. So actually, I can say like the flag is equal to 0. And then we can say our flag is equal to 1, and then we can say, but we say if not pass found or flag, then we're gonna say print, then we're gonna say password is not found. So this is when it comes out of the loop after iterating to it. So if it's not equal to the flag, if it's not equal to the flag, then we're gonna say the password is not found in the document, or we can see if flag is not equal to 1, then we're gonna say password is not found. And I guess we can I guess that's it, and maybe we can say goodbye. Okay, now we can actually run this and test to see if it works. So let's actually make a file. We can name this passwords.txt. Inside these passwords, let's just put some random passwords inside. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Hello. Password 1, 2, 3, and so on so far. That so let's say maybe like Python, or maybe say I'll subscribe and I guess that's it. So I have a hash for one of these passwords. Actually, I'm gonna get it. So when you get that, then okay. So basically, I know it starts with 202. So now we can run this, and a good password.txt. A good one is rocku.txt. Uh, I can. It's if you're using Kali Linux, it's inside automatically inside the operating system. I think it's like user share word list and then rocky.txt. Of course, it's in a zip format, so you're gonna have to like unzip it. I think with gzip is fine or gunzip. But if you're on Windows, then you can maybe search online so the rocky.txt. But it's maybe like 4 GB, so I wouldn't recommend it. But anyway, so let's actually run this. Enter the hash password. So mine is this. Oh, wait, and enter the path. Every file not found. Okay, fine. So I'm guessing it automatically entered. So actually, I'm just gonna run it one more time. So, okay. So let's just copy this one more time. There. So now when we enter, we can enter the path. So of course, this is in Kali if you're in root. But actually, I'm just gonna get this directory if I can. Can I like find it? Okay. Capture, I'm gonna have to copy it, the directory right now. And then I can say my passwords.txt. Enter. Hex digest. Okay, yeah. So it's spelling mistake over here. Let's copy this part one more time because I don't feel like writing it again. So actually, yeah, let's just run that one more time. And now I'm gonna have to get the hash again. So 22 hash. So basically, you can get that hash and you can enter that. Of course, it's gonna copy like that. So we have to run this one more time. Put the password, enter. Now we're gonna put our path inside. So when we do that, oh, something's wrong. So, okay, it's fine. So we can just get the path again. Passwords.txt and we say enter. Password found. The password is 123. Looks like we have an error here in the backslash thing. So maybe we can just say back. Okay. We can look in our terminal again. Okay. Let's see password found. The password is, oh, okay. I think I meant to say \n. Okay, but anyway, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.